I have a popsicle stick, and I took some markers and I put different colors on the popsicle stick. So I put the same colors that are on this side on that side, and I put the same on this side. So I'm going to ask our fabulous camera person, Dani, Elizabeth, I want you to name a number between 1 and 6.
3.
3. If I count 1, 2, 3, that's the red one. And if I give a quick wave, the stick now turns all red, and it's all red on both sides. To turn it back, if I place it inside my hand and give it a wave and a rub, it now turns to all different colors. I'm now going to show you how to make that. So what you're doing is you're getting a popsicle stick, and you're getting different colored markers, and you're basically going to go through and you're going to color about ½ an inch each of different colors. So what I like to do is I like to arrange the colors so that colors that like red and orange aren't close together. So I might do something like this, and then I have 6 colors like that. So I'm taking the markers and I'm basically just going to color the popsicle stick, just like this. So there are different colors, and then there's yellow, and then there's red, and then there's blue, and then there's green. So the color that I chose to be the magic color is red. So I take the popsicle stick and I turn it over, and then I take my red marker and I basically color the back side of it all red. Now Dani picked the color 3, so I'm going to show you how that works. So on this piece of paper I've made a list. So you're either going to pick a number that's either 3 or 4. What I mean by that is this. If someone picks the number 1, you'd spell out the number 1, O-N-E, which works out to be 3. So if I have this and I say, if someone says, I say pick the number between 1 and 6, and they say 1, I would go O-N-E, and that would be red. If they pick the number 2, I spell out 2, T-W-O, red. If they pick 3, I count 1, 2, 3, that's red. If they pick the number 4, I count the opposite way. I count 1, 2, 3, 4. If they pick 5, there's 4 letters. I count F-I-V-E. And if they pick 6, it's S-I-X, which is S-I-X, which is 1, 2, 3. So every number between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, either you spell it or you count it, but it's either going to be 3 or 4. If it's 3, you're going from this end. If it's 4, you're going from this end. Hope that makes sense. So now I'll teach you the magic move, and this takes a little bit of practice. So as you know, we have different colors on this side, and on this side we have all red. So what's happening is I'm showing you that the different colors are on this side, and normally as I would show you the back, it would be red, but what I'm doing is this. I'm showing you the different colors on this side, and when I'm turning my hand over, I'm actually flipping the popsicle stick so you see the same side. So this big motion, which is this, is covered by the small motion, which is this, that I'm rotating the popsicle stick. So when I show you the different colors on this side, and I show you this side, people aren't seeing the small motion because it's hidden by the big motion. So once again, I have these 6 colors. I have these 6 colors on this side, these 6 colors on the other side. Both sides, I have 6 colors. Once again, I'll say to Dani, pick a number between 1 and 6.
2.
2. So that's TWO, 3. So I go TWO, it lands on red, and then when I give it a shake, as I do a big motion like this, I'm just flipping the stick over. So in real time, I'd go TWO, you stopped on red, watch this, and as I flip it over, now it's all red, and I do the same thing. I show red on both sides, and then to turn it back, as I place it in my hand, I turn it over, and when I pull it out, all the colors reappear. And that's magic.